Hamaishi Iwate Prefecture, an NHK live camera captured a port flooded by seawater. Cars and trucks were floating amid the debris. Houses are also reportedly floating in the city. Police say in Ofunato, more than 300 houses have been destroyed by a tsunami. A whole community has been swept away.
In order to collect information, how is the situation outside? Are there places that are with fire? There are no reports of major fire in the vicinity. Now, as for the residents, what are you telling them to do? Well, first of all, to stay calm and act. And because if you act irrationally, you might get injured. So please stay calm and stay tuned to television and radio and collect information and make your judgment. Yes, thank you very much.